channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Chrissy. Hello, welcome. So in today's video, I am doing an expectations versus reality plus size edition. I have been seeing these videos everywhere. I've been obsessed with them. I've been watching them, and there's really no one person I could shout out and kind of give the credit to. So I'm just going to go ahead and generically say thank you to all the plus size influencers that have been doing this video, that have already done this video. This video is inspired by you guys, and I'm so happy to be joining the conversation. Okay, so in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys some comparisons of just a couple of dresses that very recently I have purchased. This is not going to be a try on haul of anything new. I think one dress you guys have seen, one dress will be new, but it's really more of a message that I want to convey to you guys in this video. So that is what this video is going to be about. But before I get further into it, if you are new to this channel or you've been here before, you're here and you're back. So hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell next to it so that you are notified whenever I upload. Follow me on Instagram at Chrissybstyles so you stay in the loop. And let's get into it. So, you guys, this video is something that's very important. As you know, right now we're in the month of June, which means we are in our confidence series. I've already done one video revealing my biggest insecurity, and I just want to go ahead and just thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for just all the love. I mean, it was so overwhelming, you guys. I literally had to take a couple days to even reply to the comments because my heart was full. My heart was full. Every time I read a comment, I cried. Every time, you know, I mean, the love is just overwhelming. The support is just overwhelming. I see you guys, I feel you guys, and I just love you guys so much. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. In this confidence series that I'm doing this month, I wanted to do different videos just to kind of get the point across of becoming confident with yourself, confronting, being real with yourself, and battling those insecurities that we often have as not even just plus size women, but as women, period. I think the world puts a certain definition of what beauty is and a certain, definition of what we are supposed to look like in the clothing that we choose to wear, or even the clothing that we select for our body types. Like, oh, this body type is supposed to wear this, and this body type should wear that. Like, and I think, of course, there are flattering ways to dress to accentuate your body type, but I don't think that's the rule, and I don't think that's the standard, and it definitely isn't for social media or these pillars that the media says is beautiful to make that decision for us and what we wear, sweetie. I often find that, in the plus size industry, people are okay with plus size girls. It almost seems like as long as we stay in our lanes. And I think there is a certain plus size silhouette or a plus size figure that the world deems as acceptable and that they feel like is presentable. And just to be very honest, that body type is the hourglass. I mean, I don't have to tell you guys that is the type of model that we see on every website modeling plus size clothes. That's what we see in the magazines. That's what we see all over Instagram. That's what we see all over the media. That is the version of plus size that the world has decided to accept, and that they tell us that's okay and that's what you need to look like. Well, baby girl, let me tell you something. That is not the only type of plus size that there is. There's so many different types of women out here with so many different types of bodies, so many different sizes, shapes, colors, and that is our reality. That is our truth. And I don't think that it's right for us to go into a store or go into a website and want to, shop, and that's all we see is one type of body. Even in the plus size community, which is a community that, we're still struggling for representation across all platforms. So I think we have to fix our own community before we are, going to the world and saying, hey, you need to fix this. Within our own community, I don't think that there is enough representation of every body type and every size. Okay, I think certain companies have done a great job with trying to incorporate more women with different body types and of different sizes, but it just isn't enough. It's not enough, you guys. So in today's video, with doing this expectation versus reality, the goal is really to get you guys to see that you can buy these pieces that you see and that you think, oh my gosh, that's so cute, but I don't know if it will look good on me. I don't look like the model. I don't know if it's gonna look right on me. So for this video, I chose to do bodycon dresses because I wear a lot of bodycon dresses. I always get a lot of comments with people saying like, oh my gosh, like I wouldn't wear that, I wouldn't feel comfortable in it, or I'm too insecure to wear that. So I want to show you guys two bodycon dresses that recently I was very nervous to buy. One, because of their color and just their fit. And I am comfortable in my body, but I just have those moments where it's like, oh my gosh, these colors are gonna hide anything. So I want to just be real with you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I look in these dresses with no shapewear and versus the model, and how I kind of pump myself to be okay with it. I really hope you guys find the rest of this video very useful and very helpful. So keep watching. So this is the first bodycon dress that I'm going to show you. I know you already seen it if you saw my Fashion Nova Press Pretty Little Thing haul. But to be very honest, even though I did that haul, I wasn't 100% comfortable in this dress, and I was super afraid to even purchase it. Because when getting on Fashion Nova's website, the model, she's gorgeous, she's beautiful, but she didn't look like me. I think it's a huge misconception among a lot of plus size women that, you know, this is what we have to look like in bodycon dresses, or this is what we need to look like, and if I don't look like this, then I can't wear one. But that's not the truth. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and buy the dress even though I don't look like her. So this is my reality in this dress. Yes, she looks beautiful. Yes, she looks gorgeous, curves on point, everything. But this is me. This is my reality, and I think I look beautiful, and I think I look gorgeous in this dress as well. As you can see, yes, it's not all straight and up and down here. I got rolls, I got, you know, creases and stuff going on right here. If you turn to the side, you can see that lower belly. Hey girl, you're cute. It's there. It's not going anywhere for now, you know. And then I don't have on shapewear right now in this dress. Even when I do put on shapewear, it's not gonna make me look like this girl does in this picture. It's just, it's not gonna happen. This dress has a side slit. There is my behind, there's my leg. Hey girl, like, you know, there's everything. And yes, I don't have the perfect, you know, but I don't have the perfect booty like the girl in the dress does, and I still think that I look great in this dress. I still love this dress. I still went ahead and bought it, and I imagined myself in it, my body in it, and I waited until I could see myself in it, and I didn't just see her in it, I was able to see the dress. So I like it. This is my reality versus the world's expectation of what I should look like in this dress, and I like it. And if you like it, I think you should get it too. Okay, so this is the next dress I kind of was afraid to buy. One, because, oh, this is from Rev Dolls. This is just a cute little, like, tank top kind of fitted bodycon midi dress. It's in a size 3X, and I was just afraid to buy it because, one, the color. The color is gorgeous. Actually, the color is what attracted me to it. I love these bright kind of like neon colors, but you know, I'm the girl, and just my own insecurity sometimes is really just bright colors, because bright colors hide nothing. They don't have a thing, okay? And but these colors are so beautiful. I think it looks so great on all women. I love it on my skin tone, and I think it's perfect for the summer. So I was just like, Christine, you know what? Go ahead. We just gonna buy it. And you know, of course, I don't look like the model in the picture. I don't. And that was another thing. I'm like, ooh, that's kind of like, the dress is kind of short. It's kind of, you know, it's really fitted, but, and that color, like, it's not going to hide anything. Like, typically, I'll buy bodycon dresses in black, because at least with black, I could kind of hide, you know, and do what I do, you know, little tricks, you know we got tricks, okay? But with the black, I could hide. With color, you can't hide nothing. Like, it's here, okay? Especially if you wear it without shapewear. I haven't gotten to the point where I could go without my shapewear. Maybe I will in an upcoming video. I don't know, you have to stay tuned, okay? Because I'm going to be challenging myself to do some things that I'm uncomfortable with or that I'm insecure with, because I want you guys to come along with me and do the same. So, first step was just buying this dress in a color I don't typically wear, and, you know, that really doesn't hide anything in a dress with a silhouette that doesn't hide anything. Oh, look, my cellulite came to the party. Hey, girl. Hey, girl, she's there. She's alive. You know what? And it's fine. I think, especially for the summer, like, it's just something that I'm trying to become more comfortable with. I'm all about body positivity, you guys know that. And it's okay. Like, we're women. We have cellulite. We have stretch marks. They're my stretch marks. Hey, we have a fat on our bodies. We're humans. We like to eat, okay? And we like to have fun, and we like to look cute, and I just don't want to be just like bound to wearing black for so many years. You guys, if you know me, you know, like, for so many years, all I wore was black. If it was black, I have to have it. Like, it's so hard to find things in my closet because everything is black, you know? Because I was just afraid of showing my body and kind of showcasing it in color. Because in color, it's like, bam, I'm here. Like, this is what it is, and there's no hiding it. And I'm getting to the point where I'm fine with that, because I want to have fun. I want to look cute too this summer. I think it's so, like, I used to feel so dumb in black and long sleeves and pants all summer. I was like, gosh, like, my mom used to look at me, she's like, I'm hot just looking at you. And I'm just like, I know, but I don't do summer. Or I used to use excuses like, I hate summer, I don't do summer, I hate the sun, I hate being hot. But no, it was really just like, I hate having my arms out. I hate, you know, the way I look in color, because it just shows my body. You know, I don't want to wear my leg out, you know, but this is what it is. And, you know, it's a hot girl summer. All summer, okay? It's a hot girl summer. We're going to be out here, you guys. We're going to be out here slaying, period. Go get your shorts, go get your tank tops, go get your bodycon dresses, go get your bright colors, your neons, or your pastels, whatever color it is that you want to try, that you're scared of trying because you don't want to show your body or you don't know how you're going to look in it. See past the model. See and envision yourself in it. And baby, I want you to buy it. And when you buy it, I want you to send me a picture of it. Okay? Send me a picture of it. Send it to my email. Go follow me on Instagram at Chrissybstyles. DM it to me. I want to see y'all this hot girl summer. Okay? And I'm going to repost you guys. I'm going to shout you out in a video. I want to see you guys. I want to see you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that mini try on, that comparison. You know, for me, I definitely learned a lot even just filming this. Everything that I had said to myself before to kind of talk myself out of purchasing those two dresses that I just showed you just seems so dumb to me now. You know, because I think that the world has such a huge impact on how we as plus size women shop for ourselves and what we feel comfortable in wearing. As I mentioned before, you know, the world has kind of said like, hey, we accept plus size women, but they put up this image of a plus size woman that they accept. And that's not all of us. And I think it's really important for us, especially as consumers, as we're shopping, you know, to not see the model and just to see the garment for what it is, if we're attracted to it, if we choose to buy it, and then to envision ourselves in that garment. It honestly makes shopping, and especially shopping online, just a lot easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely hope it helped a lot. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it. Comment down below. You know that I talk back. Remember to press that subscribe button and the notification bell. I still have more videos to come in this confidence series. I'm so excited to show you guys everything I have coming up. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.